Everyone on the internet is talking about the Medicube Booster Pro device. Influencers say it gives glassy skin, boosts skincare absorption, and tightens your face. But here's the thing, most of the videos are sponsored. So today's video is not sponsored, not gifted, and not filtered. In this video, I'm going to tell you the real truth about the Medicube Booster Pro. The good, the bad, and the whether it's actually worth your money. So, first the question, what is Medicube Booster Pro? They say the Medicube Booster Pro is basically a multifunctional skincare device that claims to help your skin absorb deeper into the skin. Well, according to the brand, it has different technologies. So, it has booster mode to improve product absorption, MC mode for skin elasticity, thermal shot mode for lifting and firmness, and air shot mode for pore care. So, the good thing about this device is actually give you better skin absorption, skin glow, and it's very easy to use. The device is pretty beginner friendly and it doesn't take much time. Is it a scam? No. Is it life changing? Also, no. It is basically a nice skincare enhancement tool, but it is not a miracle device. And the last, if you already have a good skincare routine and want to level it up, it can help. Okay, so here is the link down below. You can just click on the link and you can buy it if you want to.